Columbia does not endorse suspending yourself over a sheer drop using a rope made of pants. This should really go without saying, but our legal department strongly recommends we say it anyway. Today, we're testing the strength and stretch of the Columbia rock pants. Morgan is about to discover there's a thin line between life and death, and it's made of pants. Will the pants hold up when the stakes are high? Say, 300 feet high?
Okay, don't die.
If they give out, the only thing Morgan is getting out of this is a memorial bench. Morgan's so confident, he's agreed to be dangled over alligator-infested waters by a rope made of pants.
Guys, there's alligators!
I'm sure we mentioned the alligators. The alligators go without lunch, but this was otherwise a total success. The rock pants held strong, the condition of Morgan's underpants, unknown. Columbia, engineered for whatever.